In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to approve in Docusign. This guide is perfect for those who might be new to using Docusign and need to approve a document efficiently and securely. With just a few simple steps, you'll easily move through the approval process. So, let's jump right in. First, you'll need to access your email inbox where you receive the email from Docusign. This initial step is crucial as this email contains the document you're required to review and approve. Make sure you're using a device connected to the internet and that you can fully display the email content. Once you're logged into your email account, search for the email sent by Docusign. The subject line often gives a hint about the document or sender, making it easier to locate. Upon finding the email, go ahead and open it. You'll notice a button or link titled Review Document. This acts as your gateway to the document you need to approve. Click on that button or link, and you'll be redirected to the Docusign platform. This transition should be seamless, but ensure you have allowed pop-ups for Docusign if you encounter any issues. Now, on the Docusign website, you're on the Document Review page. Take a moment to scan over the content to understand what you're approving. It's always recommended to read through the document thoroughly, paying special attention to any fields you might need to fill in. Sometimes documents may require additional input or confirmation beyond a simple approval. Once you've reviewed everything and ensured it's correct, locate the Approve button on your screen. This is typically well highlighted, often towards the end of the document. Clicking this signifies that you agree with the information contained within the document. After hitting the Approve button, you'll then click Finish. This final action submits the document back to the sender, completing the approval process. It's worth noting that once you click Finish, your approval is logged in Docusign's records, and you may receive a confirmation email. And there you have it. Approving a document in Docusign is really that simple. By following these steps, you've not only improved your workflow efficiency using Docusign, but also contributed to a more eco-friendly, paperless transaction method. Remember, Docusign is designed to make document transactions easier, faster, and secure. Feel free to revisit any part of this guide if you need a recap. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.